Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be covering NotebookLM, which is a game changer for anyone that is interested in diving deep into any topic, doing research, learning a new skill, and let's cover today all of the latest updates and upgrades that Google has done to it. First of all, when you jump to NotebookLM, you're going to see all of your previous notebooks. You can also see notebooks of other people that are super famous. So let's begin first by creating a new notebook. So click Create New Notebook. Now, beginning with everything, you're going to see like main chat interface, which is a new addition here. You got two options. You can use AI that will fetch and do the research of the information, or you can add your own websites, files, copy text, and begin with that. So in my case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select fast research, and I'm going to say what I really want to research. And that's what you should absolutely start with if you don't have your own files and documents. So my prompt is that I want to create a Roblox game, I want to find tools and AI that will make my progress faster. So I give this to NotebookLM and it's going to begin doing the research for me and create essentially a knowledge base with all of the information that it has found on the internet, so we can discuss with all of that info and we're going to be able to get that information. So additionally to what NotebookLM has found, we can add our own documents through add sources. So essentially you can add as much as you want. Because I have a paid account, I could go all the way up to 300 documents, which is really more than enough. And in some cases, some stuff will not work. So just make sure to remove anything that doesn't work for you. So the first thing you could do is chat with the information that you have provided. You could potentially go all the way to deep research if you need more information, more context. In our case, we're not going to do it because I don't want to waste your time. So here you can interact with the knowledge that NotebookLM has fetched from the internet or that you have uploaded. For example, how can I code with AI for Roblox? Now we're interacting with the documents we have got from the initial fast research that NotebookLM has done. Also, something very important, NotebookLM is free for everyone to use, but of course, certain limits apply. So let's see the response. You can see it's super fast, and we begin with the Roblox assistant, which is built in. This is correct. We can have external AIs like ChatGPT, which is indeed correct. And it also gives us a very specific ChatGPT, custom ChatGPT, which is coding bacon, which I find super interesting. And we also have 4D generation, which is completely new. And this is where the power of NotebookLM and fast research lies. It's able to fetch the latest information from the internet, meaning that the information you get are updated. And this 4D generation feature, which is currently in beta, goes beyond 3D models. So essentially, in the past, you could generate 3D models. Now you also have interactive models with code and behaviors already generated. And this is so new. It's like 3 days it was released and we got this available. So this is great. I didn't expect, AI to find this. And because I have done this prompt to also other AIs, that were not able to show this to me. Finally, we have code assist and productivity tools. So it says what other things Roblox Studio has. We also have the cube 3D model, which is interesting, very lovely. We have the texture generator with references, and that's very, very important, guys. We get references to anything that we ask, and that's super important. So if we find information that are interesting, we can go ahead and click Save to Note. So we can go back and see the notes that we have done previously. So this is a game changer to keep notes. For example, here, we could export it as a document. We could convert these notes as a source to the LLM. So that means that we pass the node over as context for our new questions, which is amazing. You could literally update all of the knowledge base using AI and just keep the information you need and have great context. Literally, this could essentially progress, and using the synthetic AI data, you could improve your knowledge base and the things you learn, which is a game changer. What else we could do is we could go ahead and create reports. So essentially, we can create a briefing doc with the main features and key insights from the research that was done. We could have a story guide. So if you're interested in learning something, you could make a story guide with quizzes, questions, and learn all of that material. You could go ahead and create a blog post if you want to share the information with other people. And there are also suggested formats which are done by AI specifically on the niche topic you have created, which I think is super amazing. Also, you can add your own prompt. So I'm not going going to do that in this case, I think this workflow optimization strategy is exactly what I need, because I want to optimize my workflow. I need the best tools and the best AIs and the best way to build in 2026 using the available tools, because I want to create my Roblox game. So you could see all of these different things that you could do. It's really a game changer. You could also turn an audio podcast by using this generate an AI podcast. This is very good if you're a person that wants to listen to the information. It's very great if you want to create an AI podcast. This is absolutely amazing. Also, if you're a person that is more on the visual side, you could create video overviews. Essentially, these will be PowerPoint presentations, which on the back end will have sound playing over a video. So for example, we could go with a whiteboard style. You can select the style of the video that is going to be created. We could have an explainer video that dives deep into the information, or a brief video to give us an overview of the information. And we can also give a small prompt to have, to manage the behavior of the hosts. So manage the behavior of how people present information and talk. There are so many languages that you can export this kind of video to. And we're going to click generate just to show you a preview of all of the things that are available here. You could also go ahead and do a mind map, which for very complex information is a game changer. It allows you to traverse through all of the information in a tree-like structure. So let me show it to you. So this is Roblox development ecosystem. Of course, you probably don't know this, but I want to show you how a mind map looks and how powerful it is. So first of all, we begin with the Roblox Studio. This is like core infrastructure. We have scripting, which is the language, the plugins, AI power tools, and business and workflow. So we can open up Roblox Studio specifically and focus on the information about the Roblox Studio. We've got installation, core interface, and templates. We can open up each one of these and see their different components, and we can go in as much detail as we want. By clicking on one of these, we can talk with it. So we can get specific information for a very specific node over in this mind map tree. So we can see everything here expanding, and we can avoid information overload, and we can have structure on everything using mind maps. For example, the most important thing for me is this AI assistant tools. So we can see exactly all of the availability of tools. I could do like a double tap to learn more about mesh generation API, text to 3D. And it's, NotebookLM will create a high quality prompt for us, and it's going to go ahead and give us all of the information about this specific part of the mind map. And this is a game changer, especially for complex material, having this kind of information and diving deep into what exactly you want, but also navigating the complex landscape in a structured way just changes everything. Like for real, it's a game changer. Everybody should use mind maps and work with them. So yeah, we can see here exactly all of the information about the 3D model. And for me, this is going to be a game changer. Like diving deep into all of this information is just going to be so amazing. So another thing is that the video will take time to generate. Don't expect it to happen instantly. But we got our report ready, and we can see our report over here. We could also say if it's a good or a bad report, but the information is very much structured. It looks super great. It has also like a table here, which we can see everything about it. And yeah, it shows us the core functionalities and the core things that we need to know. And yeah, I'm not gonna dive deep into it right now because it's too soon. We could also create a lot of other stuff. Like we can create data tables from sources, quizzes, flashcards, slide decks, which I have no idea what this is, never created one. We could create infographics, which is, for marketing. That should be absolutely amazing. And we can see that all of the information that we create are on the right hand side. So this is like the output. On the center, we have the chat window with information that we work right now on. On the left hand side, we have the input. So we have input, interaction, out. Super amazing. One of the things that is also super useful is that you can share this with other people. And if you've got a big organization, you could get an account and you could share everything in your organization with other people. You can create distinct chat notebooks that have specific knowledge for any part of your business. And you could create essentially a knowledge base that you can share with everyone on your business and have it AI powered for like $200 per person per month, unlimited usage. This is, I think, super powerful, and it's going to organize your company so perfectly. One of the things things that is super important is that if your AI company or if your company uses AI to learn stuff or organize things, this is probably the only thing you need. You don't need ChatGPT subscriptions or whatever, even though if you get like the Gemini Pro subscription, you get also the Gemini subscription, you get the Anti-Gravity subscription, and you also get the NotebookLM subscription. So maybe that's the only thing you need, like $20 per person per month, and you get the full stack of Google for your workers. I think it's a game changer, and I think you absolutely should take notes and look at this. This feature specifically is one of the features that Google is supporting so heavily, so you can expect it to be even better in the future, and you should absolutely build on top of it, use it, and have it in your company. As an individual, you absolutely need to be working with this. Like, it's a game changer for real, guys. So this is the modern Roblox toolkit guide. So this is probably, I'm not sure what this is. I think it's the infographic. Yeah. So essentially it uses Nano Banana Pro to create these beautiful infographics that have all of the information we need in a single place. So this is like mastering the studio. So how we navigate into the Roblox studio. This is great. How we can build. So we have 3D creation and AI powered stuff, which is great. We could also work with templates, and also it shows the difference between the traditional methods like Blender or using AI powered stuff for each of the cases. And finally, it talks about Lua and how you could use it perfectly. So this looks absolutely amazing. This is so beautiful. And when the new Nano Banana comes, or when they cut prices, this is going to be even more amazing. Like beautiful stuff created by AI. And you see no hallucinations. The information there is not wrong. It's absolutely super great. We see no hallucinations. Up till now, everything is up to date. Everything is correct. There's no mistakes done. And we have dove quite deeply in. Also, one of the things that is underreported and, it's not heavily advertised is the quality of scraping that NotebookLM from Google can do. Like, if you wanted to get all of this information from these websites and put it in your own knowledge base, it would be so much harder to do. Scraping is not easy, but when you are Google and you index the whole web, you are allowed to do this, because sites, if they don't allow Google to scrape them, if they try to block the scrapers, they are not getting shown to people. So Google has such a great advantage at crawling the internet, at scraping the internet. That is a game changer for NotebookLM. This feature alone, getting websites into AI and talking with the websites and the information available, only that is just a game changer. So I don't want to waste your time. We're going to see the video overview and the slide deck to see the results that we got, and then we close the video, you watch it maybe tomorrow, and I get to learn right now how to create amazing Roblox games using AI. Okay, so the video is ready. Let's check it out. Let me put it in full screen.
Right,
it's a 2-minute video, so I'm just going to put the playback speed at 1.5. Let's watch it together fully.
Talk about how AI is helping you build Roblox games way faster. If you're a solo dev, you've probably felt this. It's like a constant race against time. So the big question is, how do you actually speed things up, especially with a full-time job? Going solo is a total marathon. We're talking months of nights and weekends just to finish. Okay, let's get into it. First up, your new AI coding partner. The old way, hours and hours with books like this. So slow, right? But now, devs are using AI to learn and code in just a fraction of the time. You've got a couple of big options: the official assistant and a tool called Coding Bacon. Roblox Assistant is free. Coding Bacon costs a bit but gives you more conversational help. Okay, moving from code to visuals, think instant testers, just from typing some text. Basically, this tool lets you try out new looks for objects just by describing them. And the process is super simple. Just select, describe, preview, and you're done. That's it. And you can get really specific, like describing the wood, the metal, everything you want. Right now, in the beta, you get 5 textures a day, plus 25 previews to play with. But check this out. It goes way beyond textures. Now we're talking full 3D models. This is all thanks to something called Cube 3D, a huge new AI from Roblox. And get this, they trained it on 1.5 million 3D assets. Making a new model is as easy as typing /generate into the assistant. So you need a motorcycle for your game? Boom. You can generate one in seconds. So what's the big picture here? These tools are totally changing how games get made. You cracked on your idea and the final creative touches. So when time isn't the biggest problem anymore.
So this was pretty amazing. Like, it's a very quick overview of the available tools and AI, and you see how beautiful it is, how great it was done, like how it was literally perfect. I don't know what else to tell you. And it's only from just 9 sources. Okay, so it's just 9 sources, and the greatest part is that you can go and dive into each of the sources on your own and get the information as well. So let's see here the final generation, which is essentially a presentation that you can actually use. So we got the workbench and the copilot, the canvas and the brush, and all of these things. We can see the UI, it explains it to us. This is pretty amazing. The physics of the world world. So all of the different options we have, how we can begin scripting. And yeah, this is lovely. Like for presentations and stuff, it can create the infographics, it gives you the slides, it gives you very unique ideas and narratives that you can use. I think it's a game changer, and this is really, really lovely. This is pretty amazing. Like you generate the mess, you put the texture. This is very great. This is very, very great. Like in all honesty, super, super amazing. And it also offers like these 4D objects and the new things. And yeah, big respect to Google for, first of all, creating this amazing tool that is going to change how the world learns, how people learn and interact with data and knowledge bases. But also it's amazing the depth and the quality of each of these studio options that we get over here. It's arguably insane. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments what you believe about NotebookLM. I think it's absolutely amazing. I love using it. Let me know your opinion. Test it out. Really, guys, you got this. See you in the next video.